Alright guys, so I'm not going to be adding any tips to my nails this time. These are just my regular nails. I had a nail break, so I filed them all down as short as I could. And I washed my hands with water only, no soap, because you don't want the oil in the soap to lift your manicure. So these are filed down. I'm going to be using these colors here. These are from the Stocking Stuffer collection, and it's basically like 2 greens and 2 pinks. So without further ado, why you keep falling? Let's get into it. And I'm just gonna lay this down, this little towel, and get my little brush. Now we're going to use the number 2. So just dust your nails off. You want to take a medium file because this is still very soft. I'm just going to file these down lightly to just get them like smooth. Alright, so we have it filed down. We have the colors on. Now, all we have to do is take the number 2 activator and this hardens it. So you want to make sure that also you want to wipe your nails down and everything before you do this. Dust them, give them a good dusting. But this basically turns it into like the hard shellac-ness. So you put one thin coat on your nail, and then by the time you finish with your hand, you'll go back over it again. And a lot of the times I've found that if you don't use enough of this and let it soak through and get all of the powder activated, that when you do your top coat, you'll have blotches where the top coat doesn't stick. Because when you do your top coat, you do it almost immediately after your second layer of this, and that helps your top coat stick nicely. Okay, so I'll let that dry for about 30 seconds, and then we'll do our top coat. All right, now it's time for the final. Again, you still don't want a lot, and I'm just gonna do wide, and that's it. That's my top coat, and it's gonna dry really fast. I just got that on my skin. And that is it. I am going to use this though to try to, well, I guess I didn't get it on my skin. And this is it.